Well, I just finished installing my stereo again for the 12th or 13th time. I forget, I lost count. But I figured I'd give it a little walk around and show some people who might not have the best gear, but might have enough to get by or whatever. I just figured I'd make a little video. But yeah, I'll start with the alternator. I got a JS alternator upgrade. It's 250 amp. I got it grounded from the alternator to the body. And then I got 2 runs of, I guess you can see that, 2 runs of single gauge, 1/0 going over to my battery. So throw that guy up. But I got 2 runs of single gauge coming in here. I got my car wiring. I got 2 runs going, 2 runs going to the fuse. And then I got 2 runs going through some 3/4 inch firewall grommets. Going to the back. Let's see if we can see anything down there. A little cramped under the dash. But let's see. I guess you can kind of see it. I got one there, and then I got one above it. 2 waterproof connectors to bring it inside, and then I got it just running along my edge there, and then go around to the back and show you what's going on. And it just comes in and it toes off underneath the back seat, and I got that running to my I got a 100 amp hour AGM. I got a pretty sweet little terminal on there. It's got 2 250 amp fuses. I got my little wire for my small amp. And then, let's see, we'll go to the back. I got that running, 2 runs coming in. Just some splitters going into a JP23. Let's see, I got one set of grounds over there, and then I got another set of grounds over here. For my small amp, I just got a little cheap ass Soundfly. It's a 4-channel 100 or whatever 100 watt 4-channel. It says 400 watt, but I'd be surprised if it did 100 watts. But I mean, this thing's great. I love this amp. This thing's cheap as hell, and it pushes my 6.5s up front real good. But yeah, I got that running to the JP23. I had to modify the box slightly, but it is what it is. And I got that running to a Scar EVL 15. That's a big ass box, but I don't know. I've had the sub in probably 6 different boxes throughout the couple of years I've had it, and I don't know. I'm still up in the air. I haven't decided whether I like it or not. But yeah, I don't know. I got it running out down to 1 ohm, which for that sub is overkill, but I don't know. It says 35.2 volts for 1250 watts, and I got it set at about 40. So I ain't scared, but yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'll try to get a demo in, and I ain't got no meters or nothing like that, but I'll show you some windows rattling or whatever, and yeah, I don't know. Just going to a cheap ass Walmart Dual. I don't know. It's all right. It's got Apple, Android, or Android Auto. Yeah, I got the old JP bass knob. I do like that. It saved my ass when my battery took shit on me. It said low voltage, so I was like, what the hell? And I took the terminals off and tested the battery. It was at like 5.5 volts. So that battery took a shit, but thankfully the front battery holds strong. But now with the new AGM in the back, I think I'm good to go. But yeah, all right, man. You guys have a good one.